Good morning, children. A warm welcome to the IT class. Today we are going to study lesson number 1, Data and Storage. Imagine for a moment that you have lost your ability to remember anything. What happened a minute ago, or yesterday, or 5 years ago? You would not really be able to function, would you? Computers and other technologies work the same way. Without the ability to store and retrieve data, they are not very useful. Whether writing an email, watching an online video, visiting a website, or using technology in another way, there is a constant flow of digital information that needs to be stored in order for the technology to serve its purpose. Data and information. Data storage is a term for how information is kept in digital format that may be retrieved later. Computers, laptops, tablets, smartphones, and other devices all store data. The methods and technologies used vary greatly, but the basic concept is always the same. Information is kept so that it can be accessed again later. Data. By looking at the text and numbers, it is hard to understand what it indicates. Data can be in the form of text, numbers, pictures, audio, video. Information. The same data from the before image is represented in rows and columns in the table. When data is organized in such a way that it gives a meaningful result, it is called information. A computer processes or organizes data and converts it into information which can easily be understood by humans. Units for measurement of data. A computer is made up of electronic circuits that carry electricity and have many tiny components. When an electronic component has current running through it, we can call it on. And when there is no electric current running through it, we call it off. In a computer, on is represented by 1 and off by 0. These two digits, that is 0 and 1, are called binary digits or bits. It is the smallest piece of information that a computer can store. If we use more electronic components, we get more bits and thereby can store more information. All the data stored on a computer such as images, audio, video and text is in the form of ones and zeros. As the computer hardware only understands electrical signals in the form of on and off or 1 and 0. 8 bits equal to 1 byte. 1024 bytes 1 kilobyte. 1024 KB 1 megabyte. 1024 MB 1 gigabyte. 1024 GB 1 terabyte. Memory and its types. In the previous grade, we learned that CPU is made up of a control unit, an arithmetic logic unit and a memory unit. Data and information can be stored in the CPU's memory unit or device outside the CPU. I hope you all understood data and information. In the next session, we will be studying storage capacity.